Hello everyone. Today I want to make a Patriotic Deco mesh wreath. The supplies I'm using is a 16-inch wire frame, and I'm also using some silver deco mesh and some blue with metallic stripes deco mesh. I have two of these silver ones. I'll let you know how many I use. And then I do have 4 rolls of these blue mesh. And I will be using some silver Chanel stems. I will let you know if I use any additional items to complete my wreath. I want to set up my wire frame. I want to go ahead and work on my frame so I have row 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, let me show you right quick how I did this. On row 1, I have 3 Chanel stems. I have 1 on each crossbar and 1 in the center. On row 2, I have 2. And it falls right here and right there. And then row 3, I only have the 1. And then row 4, I have 1 on each crossbar again. I may need to add another one on row 3, but we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the rest of my wreath form like this. My wreath form is ready, and I have all my Chanel stems attached. And I want to start with the silver one. I'm using 2 colors, but I want to do 1 color at a time. I'm just going to do the poof method. And I'm going to start on the outside with row 1. Start right here. I'm going to tuck a little bit of a tail under my wreath there to catch. There we go. Let's see. And then I'm going to do, let's see, 9-inch poofs. 9 and attached next. I want to do the whole base in silver, and then I will see how that looks. finish the base with my silver mesh. Look at this. I like it. I like this mesh. It's so sparkly. Just perfect for 4th of July. Look at this. I like it. I am ready to start with my blue mesh. I just want to catch this in here and tie it to my wreath. I want to start on row 4. I'm going to catch this down here. And hide that tail. Now, what I want to do, now normally you don't do mesh like this, right? But I'm going to do this because I love to experiment. So here we go. See this right here? Isn't that pretty? You see how it like comes up off the wreath like this? Isn't that beautiful? And I want it to fall above where my silver poof is, and I want to catch on row 1. I really don't have like a size right here when I do the blue. I just want it to fall above like that. And then I want to slide that underneath and bring it back out. Something different, right? There we go. And then I want to catch this. Down here. Where am I at? Okay. I started, let me look at this. I started on the crossbar, so I need to find my crossbar. There it is. So I want to catch it on that crossbar next. So when you slide it underneath, right, go ahead and pull. Tie that off. This is how it looks. We're just dragging it from row 1 to row 4. And then from here we're gonna puff it over again and catch it on the outside. And check your poop. You don't want it too tight, right? You want a nice loose puff. See there? And then go back under. Come back up. And then catch it on the next crossbar. So you kind of have to go digging and find that crossbar. There it is. Catch that. You see what I'm doing here? Isn't this exciting? Okay, now we poof again. time. And then keep doing this all the way around your wreath. I think this looks good. So if you want a darker blue, I would do 2 layers of blue like this. So you get like a darker pop of blue there. See? But I like this, the lighter cover. Okay, now what I want to do is add a bow. And I want to add this one. Look at this. Isn't this a pretty bow? I love that ribbon. It's sheer with pretty stars on there. And I want to put that at the top of my wreath. And then I have a tail, so I want to make sure the tail comes down. And I just need to tie this off. Where is it? There it is. And then I need to refluff my bow. So my silver mesh, I end up using 2 of these silver ones. So I use like the full one and then maybe a 1/4 of the second roll. And then my blue mesh, I'm only using 1. If you want like the dark blue to pop, then you will need 2 full rolls of the blue. I think this looks really good. I also think I want to add a little bit more blue like this. See in the background. So I'm going to take another roll of my deco mesh, and what you do is you just roll it like this, right? Oh, you know what? This might be long enough. I love using deco mesh as bows, and so I'm going to find the center there and then see if I tuck this in there, right? Like that. And I want different lengths, so it'll work out well. And see how I have that blue in the back and then I have my pretty stars on top. And oh, I like that. Let me go hang this up and show you what it looks like. Here's my new Patriotic wreath. I like it. I'm quite happy with it. It actually turned out pretty good. I like the silver base and then the twirling blue all the way around the wreath. And that bow at the top makes it perfect. I like that sheer ribbon up there with the stars. Very nice bow. I'm happy with it. And I might take that blue tail off. So let me show you what it will look like without the blue streamer. This is what it looks like without the blue streamers. I think I like this version better. I'm happy with it. And I think that sheer bow, it works really well with this sparkling mesh. I'm happy with it. I hope that you like my new Patriotic Deco Mesh wreath and that you make one for yourself. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.